Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube channel art quickly and easily under a few minutes, all for free. Let's do this. Here I have the sample YouTube channel with the great looking channel art. I'm going to show you how to make this. It's very quick, very easy, and you could do this in under a minute. On this video, we're going to be using a free online tool called Visme.com. With Visme.com, you can make great looking graphics for all kinds of multimedia purposes. If you haven't done so, go ahead and sign up for the free account and go ahead and log in to Visme.com. Now go ahead and click Create on the corner of the screen and then choose Social Graphics and then choose YouTube Channel Art. Now here we have literally thousands of different sample channel art you could choose from. And the easiest way is find the one that you like and then customize these templates to fit your channel. And these templates are already configured so that it will fit right into your YouTube channel perfectly. The free account is great, but the template that you could choose from is very limited. So it's worth having a complete plan which give you literally thousands of different templates you could choose from and a lot more. In this example, we'll be using this template. Go and click Edit. On the bottom, there is a zoom in and zoom out to make it easier to work with your graphics. First, we're going to click on the small letter on the top and change to This Is Mine. And we are going to move this letter around, make it look nicer. And then we're going to change the big letter on the bottom to call it YouTube Channel. And we're going to highlight the whole thing and make it a little smaller. Change the font size to 220. Just type that in on the top. And you can always move this around any way you like. Next, we are going to change the background graphics to something more interesting. The Visme comes with literally thousands of different sample graphics you could choose from. And we're going to search for video and look for a graphics that's interesting. Or you can always upload your own graphics too. If you double click on the graphics that you like, it will automatically insert it for you. Once graphics inserted, you can still move it around to fit your needs. We're going to bring it up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. We're already done. We're just going to click download on the top corner, download the graphic art in JPEG format, save it onto your PC. Now all you have to do is open up your YouTube page and upload the channel art. And voila! If you haven't signed up for the Visme account, go ahead and use the link below to sign up, and thanks for watching!